G'day, Joel here from Mann+Hummel Drive, here to show you a brand new oil catch can kit for the 2016 single cab update model. Now this vehicle also has our bonnet strut kit on it, making an absolute breeze to lift up the bonnet. Let me demonstrate that for you. Now these are gas struts as well. Now in this kit we use a genuine Mann+Hummel Provent 200 catch can. That's mounted onto the chassis using our easy install bracketry kit. Now up on the top side of the engine bay here, we've got molded hoses for a direct fit, which don't use any adapters at all. Now those hoses are held on using constant tension hose clamps. That's used all the way through our kit as well. Now the benefits of having an oil catch can on your vehicle is to stop the oil, is to filter the oil vapors from going through your intake into your intercooler. They're all caught in the catch can and keeping everything clean. We recommend draining the oil catch can after roughly every second tank of fuel. That's the best time to do it. For more information, jump onto our website, marksfulldrive.com, or give us a call in the office.